In this video, I am going to show you how to use pan and zoom command. Now for this, first bring one file. So before that, open new project, file, new project, say 16:9 widescreen project is already opened. Now file, open or import media. So import media files. So that file is imported. Bring it to the timeline by pressing on the plus icon. So this is the file. Bring playhead to the beginning. I want to pan and zoom the file at this particular part. Now let us see how to use pan and zoom command. So before that, we have to take playhead somewhere here. The part which you want to pan and zoom, we have to first of all split it part. So let us say I want to split from here. So press on the scissor icon, and now say up to here I want to apply pan and zoom. So again press on scissor, then select that part, right click, go to crop and zoom. Now in crop and zoom you can see this is the command pan and zoom. Now if you apply this pan and zoom, you can see there are two windows seen here. One is outside window which is seen something like bluish, and the other one is the inside window something like brown. So if I press on this window, so this shows you up to where you want to zoom it, and this window from where you want to start the pan. So this, first of all we have to select this outside window. Let us say I don't want this part, so I want to start the pan from here, and say drag this. Now go to the inner window and drag this up to the part where you want to zoom it. So if I again slightly reduce it, so now we can see the pan and command will start like this. It will start from this window and it will end up here. So if I play this part, we can see how it goes. So slowly up to the end of this particular small window, ultimately it stops here. And now if I bring playhead here and then press on, so we can see how this pan and zoom command is being applied. Now let us say from this part up to say this part, I want to apply pan and zoom but in reverse way. You can see what do I mean. So press on this part, then go to crop and zoom, then now select pan and zoom. And now if you want to do it in a reverse way, that means the zoom part first and then the larger part afterwards, then we have to select this particular icon. Okay, and now here we can see we want to start from here and finally we want to end up somewhere here. So we can see the direction of arrow. The direction of arrow indicates that it will first start from this zoom part and ultimately it will end up here. So if I then press, or first of all see preview, you can see it has started from the zoom part and now slowly it is coming to the outer window. Okay, so if you are satisfied with this, hit OK, and now just see how this part will play with the remaining part. If I start from here, we can see now it has first started from the zoomed portion and now it is coming to the unzoomed part. So this is the way we can use pan and zoom command from larger portion to smaller portion, or from smaller portion to larger portion. I hope you understood how to use this pan and zoom command. You can see all related videos, the link of which is given in the description.